Well, hey y'all, if you're ever having problems with your 2-3 Ranger and wondering why it's misfiring, you can always just take some injectors. If you're wondering why, I just took some injectors out of a 3.0 and out of one of them 3.0 Rangers, and they got 19 pounds of whatchamacallums instead of 14, but I don't know, it seems to run pretty well. It was misfiring a lot before, after it got warm, and then I replaced the one and it stopped misfiring. When it got warmer, it was just misfiring. I was wondering why, and I didn't know it was 19 instead of 14. So if you're wondering, if you're ever having problems, most of the time, I'd say it's an injector. It's just 2 bolts. You can get them off without taking off the whole intake. If anyone has any answers about parasitic draw from a 93 Ranger, let me know, because I still haven't figured that out, and it's really killing this battery. But besides that, y'all, if you're ever wondering why your 2-3 Ranger, it could be the aftermarket coil packs, which is what I thought it was, because that's how I bought it, and it was not. I just did the injectors first, and it fixed it, so that could be one of the reasons on your 93 Ranger.